Repair!
Oh,
We got some cement bags. What are we doing to them? Oh, that was nice. Use a saw to cut it off. Okay.
Nice. Oh, and this nice.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, you can roll little tapey things, but why?
I don't know why, but I just want to make it.
That's cool. You can heat up the screw and then it won't break the wood. Neat. Okay.
Okay, what is this for?
A thimble on the end of a soldering thing. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
To make some perfect holes.
That seems like a waste of resources, but okay. You can also use like a long, what do you call it, screwdriver?
Yeah.
And pour it down the screwdriver.
Yeah, true. So it's just to get a shape.
Wow, that was a fast little transition there. It kind of gave me a heart attack.
A lot of things happening fast here.
Yeah.
And-
Okay, so we're cutting through this plastic pipe. Cutty cut. Engagement ring. Maybe, I don't know.
You're thinking they upset about engaging rings.
Wire management is what it's all about. Tube management.
So yeah.
Instead of getting your fingers dirty, you can use a paper. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I guess so.
Looks practical, right?
Okay, so we got a wire. We're using the wire in a soldering tool.
For what?
For hard to reach.
But it's very poor soldering, honestly.
Wow. Okay, this comes from the professional solderer himself,
Exactly.
Archie.
Yeah. It could be better.
It's gonna be good. Yeah, I can tell this
Whoa.
one's good. Wait.
Wow.
Oh, wait. Why are they doing that?
I didn't get it. To make a straight line, but it was a straight line. Anyway.
Did you really need that? Did you really need to ruin your card for that? I don't know.
I don't know neither, but that
Do you
was
know?
fine. I know.
Oh, okay.
I know.
You,
Exactly.
okay. Archie 5 knows.
Yes. What exactly should I know?
I don't know. Okay, so that's kind of cool actually to get right in the corner there.
Yeah, to prevent the crack and cover this hole.
Ooh, nice.
Always
Okay.
cover your hole.
Always cover your holes. It's
Yeah.
true. It's true. It's life advice.
Exactly.
I learned that in camp, summer camp. Okay.
Then down. Okay, really.
Okay. Why through the
To get a dust.
to get the
there.
dust? Yeah, I've done that with
Nice.
what do you call it? With a dusting pen.
Yeah.
It works pretty good, well as well.
Okay. I doing this with a piece of paper.
Okay, yeah, that
And
works as well.
And tape. That's it. Just bend it. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
very nice.
They just on regular. Or
And for your little
special.
tool shelf, you can get all the loose nuts and bolts. Nice. Not too bad.
Now losing it more.
That's
Wow.
that's a good idea.
Wow, that's.
If you're too weak,
But is it gonna work?
I think we should maybe try it. Should we try?
Shall
it?
we?
Well, I don't know.
Will let us know.
5-minute crafts.
What's happening? What's melting?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making a hole in this little hole.
Repair hacks or what?
That
is it
is
a ring?
cool. No, it's to bash it in so it doesn't move. So
Ah,
it's like
it's
one
a
of
little
those
twisty
spaces.
thingy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay.
There we go. Bish bash bosh and it's
Reinforce
done.
your tools.
Nice.
Okay.
What?
Ah,
But
not
it's
too
my
bad.
storage.
Okay. That's a live wire, guys.
No.
Get it? A live wire?
Yeah,
I
you're-
wouldn't suggest
You're
to do
funny,
that.
Doug.
I feel funny.
You feel funny.
Whoa.
Okay, now we've got a corner.
No, it's a scraper tool.
Oh, but what's the
That
point
looks
of the corner?
satisfying.
That's nice.
That was.
All right. Why would you? Oh, you can cut your little wires with your thing.
But you have a special place on the
Right.
We
wires.
do have a special place.
It's going so fast, guys. I can barely keep up.
Okay, we're melting this in a
Soldering
bottle cap.
thing. Okay, what's going on? Now they're melting something else. Going once,
Okay.
going twice. Sold!
Ah! Okay, now we got some thing to cut about wires over here, and now we're cutting a wire.
That
Excellent.
was
No, no, no,
nice.
no, no, no,
So, what are you gonna do now?
no,
Oh,
it's a
it was
magnet.
magnet.
There's a metal in
Mr.
there. Now we're under
It was
here.
smart. Okay, what we have
Oh,
here?
cool. Okay, you can
Nice.
extend your drill.
Yeah, and
There
we
we
tested
go.
this and it works well.
Excellent.
Very nice.
Works.
It works.
Very nice. Why
Not
is he
perfect,
drilling his
but
pretty
very
new
nice.
tool? He's drilling it because now it has a spring
No,
in
there's a
it.
spring in
Whoa.
here.
Oh,
We got some cement bags. What are we doing to them? Oh, that was nice. Use a saw to cut it off. Okay.
Nice. Oh, and this nice.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, you can
Wow.
roll little tapey things, but why?
I don't know why, but I just want to make it.
That's cool. You can heat up the screw and then it won't break the wood. Neat. Okay.
Okay, what is this for?
A thimble on the end of a soldering thing. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
to make some perfect holes.
That seems like a waste of resources, but okay. You can also use like a long, what do you call it, screwdriver?
Yeah.
And pour it down the screwdriver.
Yeah, true. So it's just to get a shape.
Wow, that was a fast little transition there. It kind of gave me a heart attack.
A lot of things happen is fast here.
Yeah.
When-
Okay, so we're cutting through this. Plastic pipe. Cutty cut.
Uh-huh.
Engagement ring. Maybe. I don't know.
You're thinking they upset about engaging rings.
Wire management
Uh-huh.
is what it's all about. Tube management.
So yeah. Oh,
Instead of getting your fingers dirty, you can use a paper. That's pretty good.
yeah.
I guess so.
Looks practical, right?
Okay, so we got a wire. We're using the wire in a soldering tool
For what?
for hard to reach.
But it's very poor soldering, honestly.
Wow. Okay, this comes from the professional solderer himself,
Exactly.
Archie.
Yeah.
All right, corner joints.
What? There's two of them.
Ah, you ruined your tool.
To make a what? Circle.
Look
Circle.
at
Now it's a
that.
new
Now
tool.
you can make a spring.
That's kind of neat.
Spring? No
Yeah,
way.
You can make a spring if
can
you
make a
go
spring,
long
probably.
enough.
It will
And
not
that's how
be
you take
spring.
your pallets apart.
Ah, use a car jack.
Yes, with a drill.
That seems
doesn't
excessive.
work. Wait, that's it. It works, but it's
hard.
no, it's not the best way.
Okay, we got the screwdriver. We got the. What is this happening here?
What?
Twist your
wires.
Twist your uncle.
Twist your uncle.
No, don't do it.
Don't twist your uncle.
Don't do it.
All right. A tennis ball. 'Cause
For what?
For what? It's
that.
still.
Why?
Why play with it when you can put it on your sander?
Yeah, sorry, Jimmy. No catch today.
I'm using it to sand things.
Daddy, I wanted to play catch.
No.
No.
I'm in my
Jimmy.
workshop today.
I don't want to spend personal time with you. I want to build things.
Poor Jimmy.
Oh boy.
Oh gosh.
All right, so we got
So.
this. Oh, tube holder. Nice.
Okay.
Hole
Hole's
is too big. Hole is way too big. We're gonna have to fill that hole.
Now it's not too big anymore.
It's
He's putting one in the other.
ah!
Wow.
And it makes sense.
No, sure.
It looks
I'm
pretty
not-
unstable. Yeah.
It's pretty fake.
But okay, maybe. It's,
Say goodbye to your
All right.
nails.
What is
What's
this?
the point? Now it's a pokey thingy.
Pokey thingy.
Yay.
Pocahontas.
Why? Mess up your drill. That's good.
So far, good now. Oh, just to extend it.
Ah, okay. That's what
Nice,
happens when
clever.
you have short arms.
And when you
Okay.
wow, my brain couldn't work with everything that's happened so
It's
fast.
going pretty fast,
My
yeah.
God.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll get there.
I'm trying to focus.
Use your full brain capacity.
circle out the wire. Ah, that was nice.
That's cool.
that's yeah, multiplier wrench.
Yeah.
Wrench, nice. Even that tiny one.
Yeah.
I think it's nice.
Yeah, I think it's testable even.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, well, you can only use that once.
Yeah, but now India.
I mean, you could use it once on, or like a couple times on the same size, but you couldn't really use it anymore than that.
And the bolt shouldn't be that tight, you
Yeah.
know. What's the reason the plastic just go? I mean,
Yeah.
okay, to make a stick, wooden stick for connecting wood.
Okay, so they're just drummels, or no, not drummels. What do they have in between to connect things?
The wooden thing.
Yeah, the wooden peg.
I don't know how to call them.
Ooh.
Yeah. Okay, write
No.
this in the comment.
Yeah, I'm gonna look it up, or you guys just tell me. Save me some time.
Tip.
That's neat.
What?
I like that